Good morning, guys. My name is Thana and welcome to my channel. It's now 3 in the morning and I'm now here at BHP in Gombak after Ghost Genting. And here we are. One second, let me flip this around. So here we are in BHP Gombak and we are about to head out for a camping trip. So that's some of our cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, whatever you may call it. I got an Everest, so the Everest there. And yeah, we're waiting for them to come because we are going to Cameron Highlands. Yes, we are now on the way to Cameron Highlands. We're going to Ringlet, and it's going to be a fantastic trip because I have never gone camping myself in my own vehicle, and this is going to be my first. I'm a virgin in that sense, but it's going to be fantastic. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what happens. Yes, we were on our way, and I must tell you, the amazing feeling you get when you're on a convoy, seeing trucks in front of you, next to you, knowing that the trip is going to be epic. It was a good feeling, and I can't wait to see what was going to unfold in the next couple of hours when we hit daylight. Yeah. So we are now going to Post Lemoy, and it's so scary because if I make a wrong turn here, you'll fall down deep down there. And that's our convoy there. There's 3 cars in front, there's 4 cars behind, or 3 cars behind.
Got 2 cars behind.
2 cars behind, Harish. Oh my god. Look at that.
3 cars.
Look at all the vegetables, Harish.
4 cars behind now. Focus above focus.
Oh, look at the bridge.
Oh my goodness, it's so steep. And it's so hot.
So you can't make a mistake here.
Oh my.
Make a mistake here, you go there.
I don't want to go there.
So do I, Samya. Sorry, jadi here.
I don't want to go there.
Hey, look, they plant the vegetable, you see, no?
I think I want to.
Look, look,
This looks like the ancient time where they dig like this very deep and then they use as a stadium. Yeah, this looks like stadium. Like a stadium in ancient times. But they sit on hard rock and like that part there. And there's a middle part there where they show. Like a story. Like a story.
We've been driving for about an hour plus from Ringlet, and this is where we are. Really deep in the forest. Some houses over there. It's amazing that how deep inside people are actually living here. Obviously, we are now on 4-wheel drive low.
How long does it take?
Another 10 minutes we are there, honey. We are 4 kilometers away from the place. And look, even there, Samya, they are planting vegetables.
I don't get it. How does motorbike even come out here?
Slowly. You must understand, Yashriya, not everything life is easy, Shah. They work very hard, they live very far away, they plant something here, and they bring all the way to the city. So whatever they plant here, someone is buying. Who's buying? We are buying. So from here, it comes to us. Can you imagine?
That's like so long.
Yeah, very far.
But they will come there, like, they come here each month.
They live here, Look at that, look at that. Look at that. This is long beans. Right? Kacang panjang. Yeah, bang. So we've arrived in Post Lemoy campsite. Look at that. So I better hold my steering. Let me park next to Gary.
Say it's a blessing because this is your shower area. No shower.
Wow, look at the river. Hey Gary, is our campsite? Go low.
Right here.
Whoa, look at the car. Clean, eh? Bro, I saw that tree all the way, huh?
Yeah.
Fucking
Souvenir.
souvenir.
I got my tourist bag also.
Hey Jerry, good fun?
Awesome.
Yes. Oh, such a beautiful place. Yeah, I will. The river is a bit muddy, Samya. Yeah, a bit. What smell is that, huh?
Fresh river water.
Like cow dung.
Can we start the fun?
Nah?
Can we start?
Yeah, we'll. Once again. So these are the rest of our crew. You finding me? Arish? Fine. Come here.
Appa, I want to see how does the blue plastic thingy make a house tent on top of the car.
Sam, think about where to put the tent, Sam. I think I want to move the car a bit this way. You park here, lah. Oh, this is the most flat area. I think you can park and put tent here, sir. Huh? I'll move there. If you guys are wondering where I am, I'm actually out camping in Cameron Highlands. Yes folks, Cameron Highlands. I never thought I'll say that, camping in Cameron Highlands, but it's true. You can camp at Cameron Highlands, and there is a river. How beautiful is that river? It's a pretty strong river though, but and when the weather gets pretty cold, that river gets pretty cold too. So this is my tent here. I've got my campfire there. I've got my tent. I've got my tarp on top, and that's my new purchase. That's my Fort Everest. And the Fort Everest. Why the Fort Everest? Well, the Fort Everest actually, it's a unique proposition. It didn't do very well in Malaysia. In fact, this particular vehicle was sold in 2015, just before the facelift model came out, and they were pretty hard pressed to sell it, because at 180,000 ringgit, many Malaysians didn't buy the Everest. Because, I mean, why would you buy the Everest? The Everest, it's not a very comfortable vehicle to go on highways. Well, you could modify it to become comfortable, but the true purpose of Everest is this. This is actually a Ford Ranger that has got an extended back, which is enclosed, and to make it an SUV. Now the problem with that is the Ranger will be a commercial vehicle because it's a pickup. This will be a SUV, so it doesn't get the commercial tax break. So this is much costlier compared to the Ford Ranger. So that's why it didn't do very well, because people just bought the Ranger. was just a better buy. But I love this as a second-hand purchase because why? For 50 odd thousand ringgit, you get all of this. And I tell you, when I say all of this, I do mean all of this. It's a lot of vehicle to take in. It's got a 3-liter turbo diesel engine, which is pretty powerful. And I'm going to do a remap on this with DNA. Stay tuned, and it's going to get even more powerful. And other than that, it's just a complete package. Good set of wheels. You just need to put the appropriate tires on it, and you're ready to go. So yes, okay. So this is my first video on camping. I'm going to be here for 3 days, 2 nights. I'll do more videos about camping in Cameron and why the Everest is my choice of vehicle to do this expedition. And I got a feeling that this Everest will be with us for some time. Unlike my other cars, this is truly capable. You know, nice.